parts of a plant, we are going to be playing Farmer Says. Has anyone ever played Simon Says?
Yeah. Yes.
Anna, what's the rules to Simon Says?
You can only do the thing if you say Simon before the thing.
Yes. So you can only do the movement if the farmer says, Farmer Says. So first we're going to learn the movements. Our first one is roots. What's it called?
Roots.
For roots, you're going to stomp your feet. Where do the roots go? Down in the what?
Ground.
Yeah. And so our roots are down in the ground, and then what do roots soak up?
Nutrients.
Nutrients. Yeah. So we're going to suck up those nutrients with our pretend straw. Ready? Okay, so let's practice again. Roots. Okay. The next one, we're going to do stem. When farmer says stem, you're going to act like an elevator, transporting the nutrients and water from the roots up the stem. So we're going to go down to the roots and create a stem. Down to the roots and create a stem. Perfect. Okay, when farmer says leaves, you're going to stand. You're going to spread your arms and pretend you're catching a giant beach ball. What are we pretending to catch this giant beach ball? Does anybody know? What do the leaves take in? It starts with an S. Oh, good job. Okay, so we are going to be leaves. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Ready? Farmer says roots. Farmer says stems. Farmer says leaves. The next one, farmer says flowers. So we're going to come right here from our stem, and then our stems are going to grow up into a flower. And then from here, if farmer says fruit, you're just going to bring your arms together and show me your fruit. Thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, if you're not ready, we'll catch it all together. Okay, ready? I want everyone to spread out so you have a little bit of room. Perfect. Ready? Farmer says roots. Farmer says fruit. Farmer says flowers. Farmer says stems. Flowers. Okay, so Milo, tell us what a stem is.
It's a part of the plant that acts like an elevator and brings all the nutrients up.
Good job. Farmer says leaves. Good job. Farmer says fruit. Farmer says put your hands down. Farmer says give yourself a pat on the back. Say I'm awesome.
I'm awesome.
Great job.